up, internet? It's your boy, it's Gadget Guy. This is totally lit. This is fresh to death. Right here in this box right now, we've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This is the premiere. This is gonna be the gimbal, right? This is gonna be hit. This is gonna be hot. This is gonna be lit. All of that rhymed because I'm totally on it this episode, guys. So we're gonna open up the box right now. I can't even wait. I can't even wait to get back to the lab. I can't even wait to get back to my office. Yeah, everybody, this is Some Gadget Guy brother. This is Some Gadget Bro or Some Gadget Brah. What do you want to be? What do you want? You want to be Gadget Brah?
That's good. That's
yeah, Brah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He's lit too. Look at this guy. He's like, yeah, I'm about to get this with this Osmo Mobile 2. So let's check this out. He's actually gonna go hands-on because he's excited like I am. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna flip around. Let's see this. Yeah, do it, Gadget Brah. Get that tape. Oh man, we got lots of tape. It's a brown box. How exciting is that? That's pretty cool. Yeah, he's tearing. Look at, he's a monster. He's ferocious. Yeah, this is super exciting. Keys are in my pocket, man. I can't go digging around in there. I'm shooting some video. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so we've got that. We've got part of the box open. Let's see. Oh, more tape. Yeah, that tape. Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the Osmo. You can see the label. It's like a really sophisticated white box. See, that's how you do tech gadgets these days, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep it clean, you gotta keep it sharp, son. That's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and put that, we'll throw this back here. We'll put that Lex in the car seat. I'm gonna, hold on, let me just, okay, yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, oh, that's good. We'll get real close up for no good reason. Oh, I can see you in the reflection of the plastic, son. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and crack that puppy open. Let's see all those accessories that we got. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's right. Yo, scratch it with your fingernail. It's cool. You can make it sexy. You can make it sexy. Okay, we got the plastic off. Oh no, I'm excited. Nah, you won't be driving around with knives in your pocket. Come on. All right, got that. Crack that box open. We got a nice little carry case. That's kind of cool. Got some papers. Leave the papers in the box. We don't care about reading. That's what I'm saying. And let's see if it locks. If it's like closed up. Oh, there it is. And that's the Osmo Mobile 2. I really wish I was shooting this with the Osmo Mobile 2 right now. Go ahead and pick it up. Go on, take it out. Go on, take it out. And we got a gimbal. Probably need to charge it up, so I can't even show you how to use it yet. That's it's always what's up with an unboxing video. It's got buttons on it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, you can like poke buttons on it. And then let me see the bottom of the handle. You can like put a tripod on there. And that's the Osmo Mobile 2. That's the unboxing. You can tell like some gadget bra there. He's totally lit up about this. He is definitely not angry at me for putting him on camera right now to do this. That's what's up. So everybody, definitely check out Some Gadget Guy. We're gonna be doing the whole video rundown. This puppy right here, stabilizing all my videos moving forward from my phones. I'm super excited about that. I'm lit up. You know what to do. You need to hit that subscribe button, smash that bell icon, get all the updates on Some Gadget Guy, and hit up Some Gadget Guy on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Get that whole conversation going with me online, because we're gonna make this thing sing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's done.